How many components are involved in Shiny? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. Which of the following function can interrupt execution and can be called continuously? A. Browser. B. Browse. C. Search. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is browser. Which of the following function is for single checkbox widget? A. Checkbox input. B. Date input. C. Single box input. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is checkbox input. Which of the following statement will install Shiny? A. Install.packages Shiny. B. Install.library Shiny. C. Install.lib Shiny. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is install.packages Shiny. Which of the following project is used for calling R products from web? A. OpenCPU. B. OpenDisk. C. OpenMem. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is OpenCPU. Which of the following can be done by Shiny? A. Tabbed main panels. B. Editable data tables. C. Dynamic UI. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. runApp will run the Shiny and open the browser window. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. All of the styled elements are handled through server.R. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.